Extempore speaking in English language.
What is an extempore speech? An extempore speech is an impromptu speech delivered without prior preparation. The speaker is given a topic on the spot and must quickly organize their thoughts to present a coherent and engaging speech.
Extempore speech tests the speaker's ability to think on their feet, articulate ideas clearly, and engage the audience effectively. The four main features of extempore speaking are 1. Impromptu nature, 2. Quick thinking, 3. Engagement, and 4. Practice. Impromptu nature means that the topic is given just before the speech, allowing no time for extensive preparation. Quick thinking refers to the fact that speakers must quickly organize their thoughts and structure their speech. Audience engagement are crucial to effective communication. Regular practice on random topics can help improve extempore speaking skills. Ed-École Institute welcomes people to test their speech quality on membership basis. There is no separate fee charge for such services. You may contact them through the IELTS Counsellor website mentioned on this page. To improve the extempore speaking skills, you should understand and use the verbal and nonverbal techniques. This comprises of flair in lexis and accuracy in grammar. Besides that, using emotional intelligence will create perfection in this effort. Speaking extempore shows your ability to comprehend the topic, your command on the subject and the English language, your interest and conviction to tackle the situation, your lexical strength, your cognitive strength, and your ability to be cohesive and coherent. There are certain strategies adopted in speaking extempore. You would agree that speaking extempore or delivering an impromptu, unplanned speech can be challenging, but also very rewarding. Here are some key strategies to help you excel in becoming a fluent speaker. Know your topic. Even with limited preparation, having a good grasp of the topic is crucial. Research key facts, statistics, and examples that you can use to support your points. 2. Quickly outline your main points. Outlining your main points keeps your speech organized and ensures you cover all necessary points. 3. Practice regularly. The more you practice speaking on random topics, the better you'll become at organizing your thoughts quickly and delivering them clearly. 4. Engage with your audience. Make eye contact, use hand gestures, and react to the audience's energy. This makes your speech feel more genuine and captivating. 5. Watch your words. Be mindful of your language and tone. Avoid saying anything that might be offensive or inappropriate. 6. Stay calm and confident. Confidence is key. Take a deep breath, stay calm, and trust in your ability to think on your feet. 7. Use body language. Effective body language can reinforce your message and keep the audience engaged. Eight, prepare backup points. Have a few backup points in mind in case you forget something. This can help you recover smoothly if you lose your train of thought.
Conclusion. By incorporating these strategies, you'll be better equipped to deliver impressive and impactful extempore speeches. Let's work on creating a 2-minute extempore speech. The speech audio is also available here, demonstrating an extempore speech on the topic child labor is a social crime. The following speech is meant to be delivered in 2 minutes duration. Good luck with your extempore speech practice. Begin by greeting your audience warmly. Start with a strong opening statement to grab attention. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a pressing issue that affects millions of children worldwide, that is child labor. Child labor is not just a violation of children's rights, it is a social crime that steals their childhood, education, and future.
Next, provide some context and facts to support your argument. According to the International Labor Organization, there are over 150 million child laborers globally. These children are forced to work in hazardous conditions, often for long hours and minimal pay, depriving them of the opportunity to attend school and enjoy a normal childhood. You should use emotional appeal to connect with your audience. Imagine a world where every child can play, learn, and grow without the burden of labor. By allowing child labor, we are failing our moral and social responsibilities. We are perpetuating a cycle of poverty and exploitation. Offer a call to action to inspire your audience. It's time for us to take a stand. Governments, communities, and individuals must work together to enforce laws, provide education, and support families to end child labor. Every child deserves a chance to dream and achieve. Conclude with a powerful closing statement. Let us unite to eradicate this social crime and ensure a brighter future for all children. Thank you. Words of caution. Remember to maintain eye contact. Use appropriate gestures. Speak with conviction throughout your speech. Practice regularly to improve your confidence and delivery. We can evaluate your speech at no cost. Based on the discussed guidelines, prepare for one of these topics and send your message to IELTS Counselor for expert feedback. To submit your speech using the upload button, attach an MP file of your speech and send it with your message through the contact form available at https://www.ieltscounselor.com. We can evaluate your speech at no cost. Based on the discussed guidelines, prepare for one of these topics and send your message to IELTS Counselor for expert feedback. To submit your speech using the upload button, attach an MP file of your speech and send it with your message through the contact form available at https://www.ieltscounselor.com. Good luck. Good luck.